everyone, thank you for joining us for another video. Today we're going to show you how to change the oil on your Nissan Titan. Here we have our high mileage 5W30 oil from Valvoline, as well as an oil filter from Purolator. We'll be adding 6.5 quarts of oil, so you'll actually need slightly more than is shown here. We'll put the links in the description for both the oil and the oil filter. First thing you want to do is remove the skid plate or access panel that will provide access to the oil filter. We went ahead and did that beforehand. Get under the vehicle and locate the oil pan. Using a 14mm socket, remove the drain plug slowly. We recommend that you use a wrench to loosen the bolt and then remove the bolt by hand. Wear gloves and allow the vehicle to cool down before changing the oil. The oil can be extremely hot. Remove the bolt and allow the oil to drain. Next, loosen the oil filter. The Nissan Titan has a built-in spout that allows the oil to flow down into your oil pan. Allow all of the oil to drain, and don't forget to dump out the oil from the oil filter. Take some of your new oil and pour a small amount into the new filter. Rub some of this oil around the seal of the oil filter. This will help ensure a proper seal, and it will also make it easier to remove the oil filter when it's time for your next oil change. Using your 14mm socket, reinstall the drain plug from the oil pan on your vehicle. Screw in your new oil filter, but do not over tighten. We can't stress how important that is, or you're going to get an oil leak. We recommend hand tightening the oil filter as much as possible and then giving it another quarter turn. Remove your oil cap, insert a funnel, and then pour in your 6.5 quarts of 5W30 oil. Reinstall the oil cap, reinstall your access panel, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.